Hello everyone. I have prepared this dictation of 500 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. If you guys practice this thoroughly and sincerely, then the required speed of 80 words per minute for Rajasthan District Code exam will definitely seem very easy to write. Practice this passage multiple times to gain perfection. All the best.
In compliance to the show cause notice, the SSC filed its reply dated 1/3/2014 as per para 3. It is admitted that SSC company is owner of agricultural land measuring 33 bigha and 5 biswa located at Khashra number 30 and 31 Ramgarh, which was purchased in year 2008 and mainly submitted that in March 2009 the company authorized its director Mrs. Rita Garg to take a decision about the land. Thereafter on 1/5/2009 a power of authority was issued by authorized director of the SSC company Mrs. Rita Garg in favor of Mr. Paramjeet Singh, and SSC company is neither aware of plots sold nor receive any consideration from sale of plots as alleged sold by the power of attorney holder during the year under consideration. Full stop. Stanza. The SSC also mentioned that a civil suit filed against the SSC company and Shri Paramjeet Singh by Shri Sunil Kamra and others on 20/5/2009 in connection with same piece of land at District Court Jhunjhunu. Full stop. Analysis of SSC's reply and finding of this office. Full stop. The reply of the SSC was perused and not found acceptable due to the fact that as per the information available with the department, the SSC has sold the plots and received the consideration in cash. DLC value of sold plots were rupees 50,60,000 during financial year 2009-10. Full stop. As per the reply, the plots were sold by Mr. Paramjeet Singh, who was holder of power of attorney notarized dated 1/5/2009, and all sale deeds were found registered at Sub-Registrar 3rd Jhunjhunu. Full stop. The reply of the SSC is not acceptable as per the discussion above. Full stop. Stanza. The SSC has failed to provide satisfactory reply along with documentary evidences to the show cause notice. Full stop. The documentary evidences available with the department suggests that income chargeable to tax has escaped assessment within the meaning of section 147 of the Income Tax Act. Full stop. In this regard, it is stated that as per the requirement of section 148A, the department has to be in possession of information suggesting escapement of income, which as per the explanation 1 to section 148 means any information in accordance with risk management strategy formulated by board. Full stop. It is pertinent to mention here that the only prerequisite for issuance of notice under section 148 is information which suggests escapement of income, and in this case information has been flagged through high risk of Insight portal that income of rupees 50,60,000 has escaped assessment as SSC has sold plots in cash and income not offered for taxation full stop stanza. The reply along with explanation submitted by the SSC have been perused and duly considered as discussed above full stop. The SSC has failed to furnish satisfactory explanation with proper supporting documents to substantiate his contention, and hence the same cannot be acceptable full stop. From the above facts and discussion, it is clear that the income of rupees 50,60,000 has escaped assessment during the year under consideration and requires to be brought to tax full stop. In view of the above, on the basis of material available on record, including reply of the SSC, is found to be a fit case for issuance of notice under section 148 of the Income Tax Act 1961 full stop.